What is wrongful birth? Have you ever wondered what happens when parents feel they were not given the full picture during pregnancy? This brings us to the concept of wrongful birth. It is a legal claim made by parents against medical professionals, usually doctors. They argue that negligence in prenatal care or testing prevented them from making informed decisions about continuing a pregnancy. Typically, this negligence involves failing to diagnose or inform parents about fetal abnormalities or genetic conditions that could have been detected during pregnancy. When this happens, parents may feel they were denied the opportunity to consider options like abortion or preparing for the birth of a child with serious medical issues. To understand wrongful birth claims, let's look at some key elements. First, the healthcare provider must have failed to perform appropriate tests or provide accurate information about the fetus's condition. This failure must directly prevent parents from making an informed choice about terminating the pregnancy. Lastly, parents must show they have incurred additional emotional, financial, or caregiving burdens beyond those associated with raising a healthy child. From an ethical and moral viewpoint, wrongful birth cases raise complex questions. They challenge the value of life, parental rights, and medical responsibility. The claim suggests that the birth of a child with disabilities or serious health problems is a harm that could have been avoided with proper medical care. This perspective can create tension around the intrinsic value of life, framing the existence of a child with impairments as a negative outcome. In the context of moral relativism and pluralism, especially regarding abortion practices, wrongful birth claims intersect with deeply held cultural and moral beliefs. Different cultures may have varying views on when life begins, the acceptability of abortion, and the rights of parents versus the rights of the unborn child. Some cultures may emphasize the sanctity of all life, while others prioritize parental autonomy and the right to avoid suffering caused by severe medical conditions. Practically, medical professionals have an ethical duty to provide accurate and timely information to expectant parents. This supports informed decision-making. Legal recognition of wrongful birth claims varies by jurisdiction and can conflict with abortion laws, especially in regions with restrictive abortion policies. The emotional and moral distress experienced by parents in these cases is significant. They navigate the consequences of medical errors and complex ethical choices about pregnancy and childrearing. Wrongful birth is a medical malpractice claim focused on negligence that prevents parents from making informed reproductive choices. It raises important ethical questions about life, disability, and parental rights within diverse moral frameworks and legal systems.